Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Stacy here. Welcome back. I'm quite excited today. I'm quite excited today for what I'll be sharing with you guys today. On a serious note, this is what actually did wonders to my face, to my black spots, to my clearing of the scar, to a whole lot guys, a whole lot. So I'm very excited to share this remedy to you. It's a must try, guys. It's a must try. So let me get on with it. Okay, this remedy, I've been using it for the past 3 months now, and I can tell you that absolutely I love it. I use it every week. I don't miss a thing. I use it every week, and I can tell you that I'm so much happy with the result. Okay, I'm so happy with the result, because this thing has really cleared so many stuffs on my face. My friends who know me from 2022 can testify to this thing, because my face wasn't as bright as it is right now. In fact, it hasn't gotten to where I want it to be, but it's not where where it used to be, on a serious note. So let's get on with this. This is for black spot, it's for blemish, it's for wrinkles, it's for a whole lot, guys. A whole lot, guys. This is, and it actually works. These things are natural. They are natural, so you don't expect to use it once and then it will do a magic, like a magic peel on your face. And no, it has to be a consistent thing. At least try it 3 or 4 times and see if the result will not be massive. So today we'll be combining 3 ingredients, guys. 3 ingredients, and I'm sure you're gonna like it. You will love it. When you try it, you will love it. You tell me your experience at the end of it. Just try it and then give me a comment at the comment button. Okay guys, let's get on with it. Usually you guys already know one of my best fruit is what? Banana. But today we're going to use both the back of the banana. Okay, we're going to use the inside and the outside. The other video I did, I said it was only the inside, but this particular one we will be using the inside and the outside. And if you cannot use the outside, you can only use the inside. But the outside is all the peel. The banana peel is very it has antioxidant. It has so many powerful ingredients in it that makes it very good. But if you cannot, in any situation where you cannot use the banana peel with the banana, because I have to blend it before you can actually use the both of them, you have to blend it. So in case there is a situation where you cannot blend it, or where you cannot use the peel, you can make use of the fruit only inside, which you can match, or you can mash it with a fork or a spoon. Okay guys, so the next ingredient is something I have never mentioned before. It's something very unique, you know, super unique. Okay, and it is nothing but moringa. Okay, moringa. If you've heard of moringa, you know that it has a whole lot of health benefit. Not only is it beneficial for your inside, it is also very beneficial for your outside. Okay, it is very good for your black spot. It's very good for your pimples, your acne, blemish, a whole lot. So this is the second ingredient we'll be using today. The first one is banana, the second one is moringa, and the third one is something very unique as well. Okay, which is turmeric. Okay guys, turmeric. We'll be using turmeric today. Turmeric is something we use on a daily basis to make our food. Okay, turmeric. So these 3 ingredients, I'll be combining it together and making a paste. out of it. Banana, moringa and turmeric. Oh my goodness, you cannot run away from this. You cannot run away from this. And I tell you, you need to try this. You need to try it, ladies. This is for you. Okay, so let me go blend it and get back to you. Yeah, I'm back with it. And I am glad to present to you my beautiful moringa turmeric banana mixture. See how it is? Looks good, right? Extremely good. Okay, so those who will ask what is the quantity I used half of the banana, okay, but the in and out half of it, and I use half spoon of moringa and half spoon of turmeric. So this is the time to apply it on our face. Yeah, let's go smoothly, guys. You don't need to whisper it. Let's go. It looks very thick, super duper thick. I need to make my face wet first so that it can penetrate. So okay, I'm back with my wet face. The reason why I always advise for you to wet your face is because it's easier for it to penetrate to your skin, okay, with your wet face. So it is time for the application, guys. Let's do it. Let's do it. It kind of doesn't smell good like the yogurt and banana, but you want the best, right? Let's go. I feel like adding more. Adding more so that it will do the work proper. I need my forehead sparkling clean. The forehead gangs. Where are you guys at? Come and say present, ma. Remember, guys, the goal is to finally disappear the scar here. If we do it, oh my goodness, I will fly to the moon. Okay, guys, I'm done with the application. Now let's wait for 15 to 20 minutes. All our applications, we wait for 15 to 20 minutes. that time period is the time it takes for the ingredient to actually work on your skin and give you that perfect skin you're looking for. So guys, 10 to 15 to 20 minutes. And don't forget, do not forget to rinse your face with a lukewarm water. Hot water, no, warm water. So guys, I'll be back in a jiffy. I wanna look at you. Hi guys, so I'm back with the banger. Yeah, it's all dried up now. This is I think 25 minutes. I took this up to 25 minutes anyways. So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like before I go wash it off. Stay tuned whilst I'm back. I feel like yo guys, I'm back again. Check it out. Check it out, 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 check it out. Check it out. Check it out. I'm out of pimples and the black spot. It's almost gone. Oh God. If you're not trying these remedies, you are missing a lot. A lot. This is fantastic. I have never used any product that actually works for my skin the way all these remedies works for my skin, and I absolutely love it. It's a huge recommendation. It's a guarantee, guys. Go try it out. Go try it out. Go try it out. So I wanted you guys to see my face after I've washed it off. No chemicals, no side effect. It is 100% natural. Wow, I love it. I love my skin more. I love my face more and more each day, each passing day. Okay guys, thank you so much for staying through this video for me. And guess what? I have a fantastic remedy in the next video. Don't miss it out. Do not miss it out. Do not for anything miss it out. Okay guys, bye. See you in the next video. It's your girl here again, Stacy.